Good morning, sunshine. Our guest today has been around for, just a few 100 million years. No big deal. He is here to tell us all about his ancient relatives.
Once upon a time, 500 million years ago, long before humans, long before dinosaurs, our ancestors arrived. We did not build cities. We did not wage war. We pulsed. They floated. We adapted. No brain, no heart. Yet we thrived, evolving across mass extinctions, untouched by time. We can glow in the dark, we can sting with invisible weapons, and we float without even swimming. Meet the oldest living conquerors of Earth.
Hold on, we're not humans supposed to be the dominant species on Earth? Are you telling me your alien species took over the Earth and we just missed it?
Aliens? I was talking about ancient marine life. Totally different. Anyway, let us introduce ourselves. We are actually jellyfish. Let's talk anatomy, which in my case is like trying to explain a pudding cup with tentacles. My body's a soft bell, aka the Medusa. And I've got some fabulous tentacles hanging down like sparkly streamers. I do not have eyes, but I do have light-sensitive cells called ocelli that help me sense when it is sunny or snack time. And my favorite part? My jelly body is made up of 95% water. Though technically, I am more hydrated than your yoga teacher. You might think I am not smart. And you would be right. I do not have a brain. But who needs one when you have got nerve nets? My simple nervous system lets me float, pulse, and react without having to overthink anything. Imagine going through life without worrying about math homework or what your hair looks like after swimming. My motto: float now, sting later. Now, let's get to the exciting bit, my tentacles. They are not just there to make me look fancy at underwater parties. Each one is packed with thousands of microscopic stinging cells called cnidocytes. When something brushes against them, boom! Tiny harpoons launch and inject venom faster than you can say, ouch, what was that? Do not worry though, not all jellyfish are out to ruin your beach day. Some of us are more like gentle noodles than spicy noodles. I am a drifter, not a driver. I do not chase my food. I let the ocean carry me to it like a floating buffet. Thanks to ocean currents, I just pulse my bell, flap a bit, and go wherever the sea wants me. It is a full-time job doing absolutely nothing, and I am great at it. You know that phrase, go with the flow? That is not a saying for me. It is a lifestyle. You think fireflies are cool? I can glow underwater, thanks to a trick called bioluminescence. I light up like a disco ball when I am stressed, scared, or just want to impress someone cute. Some jellies even use it to startle predators or lure in prey. So yeah, I am basically an underwater light show with attitude. Guess what? My ancestors were floating around 500 million years ago. That is older than dinosaurs, trees, or your grandpa's weird jokes. Some scientists say we are one of the oldest living multicellular animals on Earth. I like to think of myself as a very wrinkly celebrity with no wrinkles. We have survived mass extinctions, changing oceans, and people poking us with sticks. Respect the blob, kids. Okay, so how do I make more mini blobs like me? Strap in. My life cycle is bananas. First, I release some tiny eggs or sperm into the water. Romantic, huh? These become planulae, which are little swimming specks. They settle onto rocks and turn into polyps, like sea spaghetti stuck to the wall. Then the polyp goes wild and clones itself into baby jellyfish called ephratae. Eventually, these grow into fully fabulous adult jellies like me. Oh yeah, from blobby to blobber in just a few stages. It is a wild ride. I am not picky when it comes to food. I eat plankton, tiny fish, even other jellyfish. Yes, I am that kind of jelly. But I am also a popular snack myself. Sea turtles love me like humans love pizza. Okay, kids, serious time. You know what really stings besides my tentacles? Plastic pollution. Sometimes I mistake plastic bags for jellyfish food, and that can be fatal. I am not the only one. Turtles do it too. So if you like sea creatures with no brains but tons of style, do not litter. The ocean is our home, and trust me, cleaning up jelly goo is not easy. So, what have we learned? I might be a brainless, boneless blob, but I am a survivor. A glowing ocean dancer, and a surprisingly good science subject. Next time you see something squishy in the waves, maybe do not scream. Say hi! And remember, you do not need a brain to be brilliant. Sometimes, all you need is a pulse and a lot of jelly.
Not big, not loud, and definitely not flashy. Tiny? Yes. Harmless? Not exactly.
Huh?
Threaten me. I'll show you some serious spikes. Hello, I'm the hedgehog, the star of the ultimate jungle survival show, the creature that makes Mother Nature take a step back. Even though I'm no bigger than a flip-flop, I'm the perfect mix of toughness, survival instinct, and a dash of natural weirdness.
Woo!
They call me a hedgehog, a name first used in 1450 from the Old English words hay and hogge, because of my habit of wandering along hedgerows, and of course, this cute little picky snout of mine.
Aww.
I measure about 13 to 30 centimeters long, with an extra 3 to 5 centimeters tail. At birth, my spines are soft and short, but just a few hours later, they harden up nicely. A full-grown hedgehog like me sports around 5,000 to 7,000 spines, covering everywhere except the face, legs, and belly. Each spine is only about 2.5 centimeters long, but trust me, it's enough to make predators rethink their life choices.
Oh my.
When I feel threatened, I curl up into a super compact, handcrafted ball, hiding my belly, head, and legs, leaving only my spines out as a warning. This is all thanks to super developed muscles running along my back, neck, and behind. Even when I sleep curled up, maximum fortress mode activated. My eyesight is poor, but my hearing and sense of smell are top tier. Sniff like a boss, hear like a ninja. Perfect skills for a nighttime detective like me. Besides being a speedy runner, I can swim and climb too. Who says small means weak? At dusk, my hunt begins. Each night, I eat food equal to 1/3 of my body weight. My favorite menu includes worms, grubs, beetles, slugs, snails, eggs, baby birds, frogs, reptiles, roots, mushrooms, fruits, and yes, even venomous snakes and scorpions don't stand a chance.
Wow.
I've got toxin resistance, baby!
Woo!
Some species of hedgehog, like me, are even immune to toxic plants. And yes, I've eaten poisonous leaves and then licked my spines to self-poison them.
Huh?
Anti-predator innovation at its finest.
Wow!
I hibernate from November to mid-March in a cozy little leaf nest. Even when I'm not hibernating, I'm still nocturnal, staying tucked in all day and coming out only when the spotlight hits, nighttime. Gardeners love me. I munch on all the nasty bugs that wreck their plants, all while being completely harmless. But I'm not a domesticated pet. Still, some folks try to keep me as a quirky exotic companion. Caution, I'm a wild animal, not made for cages. I'm struggling though. Habitat loss. Human-made roads and fences block my movement and make it hard to find a mate. To make things worse, people are killing off my food sources too. Wanna help me? Protect natural habitats, don't overkill the bugs, and keep green spaces open so I can go on a date. Oh, and by the way, let's clear this up once and for all. Stop confusing me with the porcupine, will you? Please Google before assigning family ties. I'm a hedgehog, small but fierce. Those porcupines, absolute giants. They grow up to 50 to 90 centimeters, plus a 20 to 25 centimeter tail. Me, I stay compact and cute, 10 to 30 centimeters long, tail around 5 centimeters. Weight-wise? I'm light and liftable, weighing only 150 grams to 1.5 kilograms, while porcupines tip the scales at 5 to 13 kilograms, about the size of a small dog. Are quills? Totally different game. I've got about 5,000 to 7,000 short, sharp, rigid spines around 2 to 3 centimeters long. Porcupines go big. 30,000 long quills, each 5 to 8 centimeters, like toothpicks for giants.
Whoa!
And the diet? Porcupines are hardcore herbivores, loving leaves and tree bark. Me? I'm all about the protein. Insects, snails, worms, even tiny venomous snakes and scorpions. Some of my African cousins even munch on frogs and lizards, proudly omnivorous 21st century style. Lifespan? Another big difference. We hedgehogs live 3 to 8 years, maybe 10 in a zoo. Porcupines? They can live up to 27 years, aging like fine wine. I don't need to roar like a lion or fly like a bird. All I need are my spines, the night, and a mysterious scent to live my best hedgehog life. And you? Got enough spines to survive the wild ride called life?